Hello everyone, I am Desiree de los Santos Mistoles.
I am Joshua Alota from College of Arts and Sciences taking Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies.
And today, we will talk about language debt. Language debt is a process in which the level of a speech community's linguistic competence in their language variety decreases, eventually resulting in no native or fluent speakers of the variety. Language debt can affect any language form, including dialect.
In linguistics, language debt occurs when a language loses its last native speaker. By extension, language extinction is when the language is no longer known, including by second language speakers.
Language debt can happen gradually when a community of speakers acquires a second language, which then slowly becomes used in the place of the original or heritage language. This process happens over generations as parents eventually stop teaching their children the heritage language and then it dies as they do.
There are different types of language debt. Language debt is typically the outcome of language shift and may manifest itself in one of the following ways. Gradual language debt. It is the most common way that language dies. This generally happens when the people speaking that language interact with speakers of a language of a higher prestige. This group of people first become bilingual, then with newer generation the level of proficiency decreases and finally no native speaker exists.
Bottom to top, language debt. This occurs when a language ceases to be used as a native spoken language but continues to be used in a certain context. It is when the language starts to be used for only religious, literary, ceremonial purposes but not in casual context. Sudden language death. This occurs when all or almost all of the speakers of a language suddenly die because of disaster or violence.
Radical language death. The disappearance of a language when all speakers of the language cease to speak the language because of threat, pressure, persecution, or colonization.